Alright, today we're gonna put a Prerunner bumper on this Ram 1500 2015. Already got the harnesses unplugged over there. I don't know if you can see them. The fog lights and the parking sensors. Now let's get the bumper off. Now I'm taking these nuts off. Saw in the video, I think this is what we do. Follow me. Oh shit. Oh, it's stuck in the hood. Nice. Let's see. That's how she looks right now. We'll grab the other bumper. I think it looks pretty good though, even just like that. Alright, I'm about to chop that thing probably. There she is, about to throw it on. From Duarte Fabrication. Did a pretty good job. I just asked him to widen it out a little more than how his original one is. Put them on right now. Get at least 2 of these ready. I left one hook on just to see what it looks like, and then I took one hook off. I should have left the hook because it made it easier. Oh, nice. I don't have to cut it at all. Take it back. Oh, dude, that looks so good. That looks fun. Even with, I don't know, I feel like I should take the hook off. I can go up higher too. Or go up higher. But I need to mark my holes. Exactly where I want it. So I don't have to drill this. Front plate out. Ooh, that looks so good. I'm so glad I had him whiten it out. In my opinion, at least. I might not have to drill any. Well, on that side, it looks like I do have to drill one out. This one may be a little too. Probably not there. Maybe I just shouldn't force it for now. Maybe I should go get the drill and just drill it out. We're back. Never fear, I got it right here. Oh yeah. Use the hand. Oops.
maybe I should wait for this one for after. I'm sure just with these three, it's more than good enough. If I could even see, yeah. That's pretty solid right there. Yeah. Oh yeah. Now I gotta try to get the hole over there, which should be easy. Nothing hard. Alright, I'm gonna use a tech screw from work to do my pilot hole. Need an extension. One sec. Got that right here. It's a little mini one. All we need. Heck yeah, I'm done. Now, I'm gonna get a drill bit. We'll sell it out. We're gonna try that again with these because not gonna lie, the normal ones freaking sucked. But I should have known better. Alright, let's get it. Let's see. Put you down. Oh! Hit my butt cheeks on the metal. My metal bumper over here. Ouch. Alright, we're good. Let's try it out. Ouch. Dang it, bro. Way better. Like butter. Hit my head up there. Hit myself. Nice. Now figure out the hole size. And the index right here. Oh yeah. Half inch. Half inch it is. Alright. A little bit of metal on my face. All good though. That was actually bolt, and I'll let it cool down a little while I get this thing going. Sorry if it's loud. Alright, last 2 bolts. Actually, let me put some nail on this one finally. Trash flying nowhere. That was beautiful. Beautiful execution right there. Let's see. Oh, yep. Yes, sir. Not what I need, but I need this battery though. I need this battery though. Alright. Quite like half an inch, but I think that might be fine. It's sucked in the gap anyways right now. Honestly, it doesn't look that bad with the little lip. And I'm gonna cover that lip anyways with another piece of valence. It's from the gardening section. Actually, another 2 pieces right here. I'm gonna run through my hand. And I'll turn the camera back on when I'm done. Let's see. Cut out this piece. That looks way better. Now let's go to this side and do the same. If this shiznits, perfect.
Do people ever cut those squares right there?
What square? Oh, I am. I'm gonna cut these off.
I'm pretty sure they do.
Which ones did I use right now?
The red ones, I think. did you have to cut on this? Even I heard you cut it.
Oh, drilling. I went a little bit above it. Looks sick. Thank you. I think I just blocked the camera the whole time, but oh well. Let's see. It looks better without those pieces there.
On this side, you can't even see the thing, I think.
Oh yeah, I went a little higher.
Yeah, you went more higher up.
I'm gonna have to like reattach it somehow. Oh, right here, I'll screw it to the frame. Oh, that's perfect, actually. Let me get it screwed real quick. Looks pretty good, pretty good. I brought some more batteries. Oh, put it on the truck. How much drilling did you have to do in those holes, or no drilling? Just a little bit, little tiny bit. Oops, little number 8. What the heck? That's actually perfect. Oh, that's nice. Nice and tight, like I like it. Here. Yep. This little joystick is weird. Oh, shit. Got that little hole right there, got the little mark. Not very good on my left, so. Nice. Nice and tight right there. And then, yeah, with the saws off, chop these blocks. I'll probably do that too. Well, I don't know. I think I might have a blade. I have to look. Should I do it right now? Okay, huh? That's where the hooks were. I was gonna leave them on, but honestly, it looks way better without them. Damn, let me take a little step back real quick. Oh yeah, look at it from back here. That looks good. I like that a lot. Oh. Just have to chop these off with the saws off. And it'll look way cleaner, I think.